surprise, surprise, I did not sleep that well in a 9-bed bedroom, but it's alright. I slept a bit, so it's fine. I can enjoy my second day of summer in the city! Note to self, if you want to move water from in here to in here, don't do it in a moving train. I mean, I don't think there's really a point in me being here that early because, I mean, all the things start at 12. They open at 11, now it's not even 10. So I could queue here like them, but I'm not gonna, because I mean that's kind of pointless. There was a guy I met at the hostel yesterday, and he somehow, I don't know how, managed to get on the yacht where all the famous YouTubers are. I found it. Yes, here it is. Here is the yacht. I mean, kind of looks like a hotel. It is a hotel, I told you, with the obvious name of Yacht Hotel. I want to go ask how much it costs to stay in there. Act casual. I go on the Yacht Hotel every single day. Wow, this looks super fancy. The rooms are not even that expensive. It's like between 150 and 300, she said. Depends on the room. Per night. I mean I paid 20 for mine. But again, that was a 9-bed bedroom. Doesn't compare to here, really. I'm on a boat. This just goes to show that sometimes you just have to have the balls to just go places. I mean, this is a nice place, I must admit. I mean, I'm on a fucking yacht. And that's a good place to study the schedule for today. Okay, I have a plan. I want to go to the collaboration panel, then I want to go to the YouTube Honesty Hour, and then I want to go to the mental health panel. And then we'll see. Maybe gender identity. And the small YouTubers panel also looks interesting. I mean, that's what I am, a small YouTuber. Nothing about me small. Except my subscriber count. Definitely not the yacht I'm on, that's not small. Okay, bye bye yacht. It was nice up here, chilling for a sec. But I think I'll go back to the Excel. After all, I'm here to talk to people and not to just chill on a yacht. I still chill in the sun, but I made friends. Hi man. Hello. I like talking to other creators. Yeah. They have been at the Creator Day, and interestingly, they're the first ones to tell me that they didn't like it that much, because apparently there were also a lot of fans at the Creator Day and the panels were not that interesting. Okay, all the way back. And there's the queue again. But today I'm not gonna bother with the queue, because I mean, if I get in 1 or 2 minutes later, I don't care. I don't want to stand in a queue. I want to film the entry of when the gate opens. Good morning! That's the guy who was on the yacht yesterday. In a minute, we're gonna watch this. That looked a lot better organized than yesterday, where they blocked off these guys so that they can't just walk in straight. But did you see how many people there are? And welcome to Summer in the City Day 3 or 2 for me. As I said, there's nothing that I really want to do, so there's no point in me being in here early because I don't want to queue anywhere or do shit. I don't even know why I just went in here, but all the other queues are empty, so I thought this might be the most interesting one, but I have no idea what it is. Nerdfighter friends, we met her in Amsterdam. We're going in! Okay, filming here yesterday has shown that on the left the lighting is a lot better, so I want to sit on the left. This is so coordinated. Yes, I just go left.
Hello, how's everyone? Good.
I'm going to say wrong how much I end up using this quote on panels, but with great power comes great responsibility. And Spider-Man. And actually this is not called, whatever.
Well, that was a nice start of today. Sammy was a really good moderator.
This is so heated, I'm sweating.
Yeah, no, I think that's a very valid point.
At some point there was a somewhat of a, almost not fight, but an argument about clickbait. It was a good start. But now we're already at the next panel, or queuing for the next panel, about collaboration. This should be more interesting for me as a creator. Hello! Panel on collaboration. Okay, overall it was almost disappointing, that's the word. I mean, I got to ask a question, but then they couldn't tell me anything I didn't knew already.
I feel like my main problem in the beginning is finding the people who do similar things to me. I know there are a few, I just don't know how to find them on YouTube. Do you have any takes on that? Any recommendations? Find friends.
And they're big YouTubers, and they were just talking about what it is like to collaborate and who they collaborate with. I think the one thing to take away from this panel is that collaborating with friends works best.
Close and encourage craziness. You know, that there have been events where YouTubers have run around and encouraged their fans to chase them, and that tells a lot of fans that they can do that to any YouTuber they want.
Yeah, it's only partly interesting, so I'm gonna try and be social again. I really wanna find Julian again. The sweet, the fish slappy. Where is he? He's not in here. I don't know what is in here. Nothing happening at the open mic. I take it back. Ola is here. Ola God band. She's great. She's great. I'm gonna stay here.
I've got one song to rock your socks off, so that's a lot of pressure. Oh, when I don't mean to be so erratic, maybe I'm never too erratic now. Because it's either so good or so bad, never in the middle. I feel it all at once, but I feel so little. Oh, there's no middle. What have I done? What have I done? I just broke a string, guys. Should be coming around for taking a selfie reward.
Those meet and greets that just happen, I like them better. She took time, like 3 to 5 minutes for everyone, and that's nice. I could have a normal conversation with her. We talked about somewhere in the city that I know her from 2013, and she doesn't like this as much as back in the old days. But yeah, same. Okay, good. That made me happy. But now we can go to the panel that I wanted to go to. Now the panel I think I liked best at VidCon was the one about mental health. Well, I just think that you should talk about that more, and it was a very interesting discussion that they had. So now I'm gonna go to the panel about mental health here at SitC. First row. That was an interesting panel. I even learned a few things. The main thing they said that as a friend I can do is to listen and distract, which reminds me that on both fronts I'm not doing very well.
They also mentioned Headspace. Headspace, that's the app. I used to use it. I still have it on my phone. Not using it that much anymore because I'm lazy. I just found it funny that they mentioned it because in my head it wasn't for that. Anyway, let's find my friends, for fuck's sake.
How was your panel?
Found you.
Hello.
That's an actual prepared shot that he got there. So go check out his channel.
You should grab one. You should grab one. It's really good.
One? I have like 3.
Okay.
Alright, now that I managed to be in the background of some, or the front round of some of other people's videos, it's time for the last panel of today, which is gonna be about small YouTubers. So, the audience will probably be small YouTubers, like me and our friends, and those friends. Oh yeah, nice. Now this is the audience that I like to have. And there we go! For the last panel of SitC 2017. Bombers everywhere.
Put your hands up if you're a YouTuber. Make YouTube videos. Come on. Up. Right. Now put it down if you have over 25k. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to go around and try to find someone. Right.
I really don't want to. I really do want to.
If you smile nicely at me, I'm more likely to pick you, so I want to see some nice smiley faces. Yeah, being smaller isn't necessarily bad, it's just different.
Wow, so much happened. I don't even have everything in my brain that I could talk about it now. So we shall do that later. But it was a great panel, I liked it. Anyway, it was very nice meeting you at SitC.
It was lovely.
IRL and shit.
Yeah, all this IRL and shit. It was lovely. Yes.
We should totally do a collab.
Yeah, we should, but I don't know what. But we should.
We should. That's
Yeah.
what I always say. Oh, here she is. How did it feel? Hold on.
Crazy.
That's crazy.
Yes, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good.
How did you get on the panel?
I don't even know. I'm just as confused.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I liked it. It was cool.
Yeah,
it was a
it was
good
good.
panel. I think it was my favorite panel.
Thank you. It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was my favorite panel too. Funnily
Yeah.
enough.
The party's going on, alright. I like how we're just shaking here. So, if you want to see my awesome dance moves, you'll have to...
You'll have to come and check it out on my channel,
Yes!
which will probably be here somewhere, I hope.
Yeah,
Or
it
is
will
that
be.
just my boobs?
That is your boobs. Okay, it looks like there's only one more performance, but this one more performance is by Dodi. So... it's gotta be good, I assume.
Is that beautiful? Looks like I've been worrying for at least a week. I hope I'm still allowed to show this is the truth.
summer in the city. I liked it. Worth coming here for a weekend. I mean, if you're in the area. I will not fly in for next year, I decided that, but it was nice. It was nice. The last performance was awesome. I did not think that Ola would perform, but she was a background singer and guitar player. That was awesome. I like that because there you really see that she is a musician, not like some other people who performed on stage. I don't want to name names, but yeah, that was so nice seeing them. And Dodie, of course, she's awesome. I like her. So cute on stage. Anyway, from everything that happened today, I think my favorite was still Ola. I saw her on the main stage, and I saw her at the open mic. And I talked to her, like more than meet and greet level of talk. So that was cool. I even hugged her. So let's end it with Make your back up. Cool.